Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial to get you up to speed using PyPRP2 in Blender 2.5. It does not by any means cover all the features that are already available, but it should give you the basics to start being able to get things into Uru. So the first thing you'll want to do is go down here and look at the User Preferences panel. Up in Add-ons, under Import Export, there is the Plasma Development Environment. So you can just click the checkbox there and go back to the 3D view. If you only use Blender for Plasma stuff, you might want to click Save User Settings here. If you use Blender for other things, you probably don't want to because Plasma adds a whole bunch of extra buttons. So the first thing we do, now that we have an empty blend file with PyPRP enabled, is to go to the World panel over here. And down at the bottom, Plasma Age, you'll want to give it a name, My First Age, and Export Path. This is the directory where all the data files go to. You can either set that to an absolute path or a relative path. 2 slashes here means relative, so this will create a folder named export next to the blend file, wherever that blend file might be. Your sequence prefix, you can set this to your own if you have one, or the ones in the range of 100 to 200 are reserved by PyPRP2 to be temporary ones, and it'll give you a random one in that range. You can also choose here which version of Plasma you want to target. Let's target Complete Chronicles. The default is Mist Online. Okay, so now let's add our floor. That'll just be a plane, which we can make bigger so that it's big enough to stand on. And quick floor. Give it a material, give it a pretty color. Nice blue there. And we will enable physics on it. Bounds type proxy means use the mesh geometry, and that's what we want here for this sort of physical. We'll also want to create a spawn point, so for that you'll do add object, and we'll put it just a touch above there. We'll give it a name, Lincoln Point Default. And under Object Constraints, there's a Plasma Modifiers view, under which you can hit Add Avatar Lincoln Point, and that'll have the right name there. So once that's all set, you want to save your age. Mine's testage.blend. You can save yours as whatever you want, and then hit File, Export, Plasma Age. And that's it. As you can see, it exported Lincoln Point Default and Plane successfully. So there you go. That's your very first, simplest age in PyPRP2. Hope that's the basics you need to get started, and good luck with your projects.